Santosh Shukla, conducting our class 9 chemistry subject. Lesson first, matter in our surrounding, change of state of matters. First, I am explaining about the matters, physical terms of the matters, physical state of the matter are explained. Then after, second heading is the change of state of matter. Change of state of matter. We seen in our life and surrounding of the natures to the following changing. Their changing is the mainly three types. First, melting and melting point. Melting point. What is the melt and melting point? What is the melt and melting point? Solid give up temperature, those solids change into liquid form. Those changing is the kind of the melting. First, solid state of the matter provided of the heat energy. Those solid state conversion into liquid form. Those changing process is the kind of the melting, and those different points, total solid conversion into total liquid form of the temperature. Those temperature point is the kind of the melting. For example, the minimum temperature of the water 0 degrees Celsius. Those water state of the ice or solid state. But when we give up the heat energy or temperature, those ice are in conversion into liquid form. Slowly conversion solid into liquid form. But then after, at last, to different temperature, the totally solid change into totally liquid form. Those points will be called of the melting point. You are understand? Yes. And how will you explain on the melting of the electronic theory? How will you explain to electronic theory? When the solid state of the matter of the H molecule are very rigid, they are more attached to another among molecules. It is the tightly binding to H molecules. When they give up the heat energy, this heat provided of the heat energy, the binding energy are a break and increasing of the intramolecular space of the solid state. Then after, these values are increasing. This region solid conversion into liquid form. Solid conversion into liquid form. Liquid I revision. The solid electronic I explain on the basis of electronic theory to the melting point. The solid state of the matters is the different shape and volumes. The H molecule are attached to another molecule. There are no projects of the intermolecular space between among the H molecules. But when the provided of the heat energy, they are a H molecule between binding energy are a break. and increase of the intramolecular space. This region, the volume are an increase and solid conversion into liquid form. Solid form conversion into liquid form. That is the change of the melting and melting point. Second, vaporization. Vaporization. What is the vaporization? Vaporization, liquid conversion into gas. Liquid conversion into gas. How are you explain? When we give up heat energy, the liquid form of the metals, these are slowly change our state conversion at last to gaseous state. Those changing in the current are the vaporization. Those process in the current are the vaporization. For example, the water is the natural state of liquid. When they give up heat energy, these liquid waters slowly change into gaseous form. But vaporization and gaseous are a different. What is the difference between vaporization and gaseous? Vapor and gas? Gas is the conversion of a different temperature point. But vaporization process is the continue of the all temperature. First, vaporization is the only create on the upper surface of the liquid form. But gaseous change into all part of the liquid form. These are mostly different to the gaseous and vaporization. Vaporization is the depend on the following factor. First factor, surface of area. Second factor, temperature. Third factor, humidity in our atmosphere. And the fourth factor is the fourth factor of the surface humidity, and fourth factor wind of speed. Wind of speed. There are four factors are more responsible for the vaporization. First, I am explaining to surface of area. When the surface of area vaporization rate are increased and surface of area are decreased, vaporization process are decreased. Temperature, when the temperature value is increased, vaporization are more increased, and temperature are below, low, vaporization are decreased. Humidity, the atmospheric moisture is the more increased, the humidity absorption of the absorption capacity are very less, then vaporization are very below. Wind of speed, more wind of speed, vaporization are increased, and the slowly speed of the wind, these are very slowly vaporization. These are the following four factors are responsible for the vaporization. Second, third, gaseous form. Gaseous. First, solid change into liquid, that is the kind of the melting. Liquid change into gaseous, that is the kind of the vaporization. And solid change into गैस, उसको हम लोग थर्ड बोलेंगे सब्लिमेशन. Sublimation. What is the sublimation? Some special type of substance, those physical state of the solid when the provided of the heat energy or temperature or temperature, these are mostly direct into gaseous form. Those process is the called of sublimation, and those substance is the called of the sublimate. For example, iodine, camphor, naushada, etc., ammonium chloride, etc. type of this substance, when the heat energy, provided of the heat energy, are given of the temperature, these are not changed into liquid form, directly converted into gaseous form. Those process is the called of the sublimations. For example, camphor, देखे होंगे आप, camphor जो कपूर कहते हैं, iodine, ammonium chloride, etc. type of the chemical substance, they are the given of the sublimations characters. And third, boiling and boiling point. Boiling and boiling point. Condensation. Fourth, boil and boiling point. What is the boil and boiling point? The liquid form of this substance give up heat energy. These are converted into gaseous form. And total liquid conversion of the total gaseous form, those temperature point is the called of the boiling point. Called of the boiling point. For example, water. Water is the natural state of the liquid form. But when the provided of the heat energy, these are converted into gaseous form. But vaporization is the H temperature, but gaseous form conversion into definite temperature. You care? The 100 degrees Celsius temperature are the liquid waters totally conversion of the gaseous state. This process is the called of the boil. A definite temperature is the called of the boiling point. How will you boiling? For fifth, condensation. Condensation. What is the condensation? Condensation, when the gas low of heat energy at temperature converted into liquid form. Liquid form. Those process is the called of the condensation. What condensation? For example, the winter session of the atmospheric water, when the temperature of a decreasing of the atmosphere, then during this process, the atmospheric water are a following conditions are conversion: fog type, dew type, and a rain drop type are a conversion. This conversion is the condensation. जो एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर है, वह एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर में जैसे ही हम टेम्परेचर को बिलो करेंगे, तो टेम्परेचर बिलो होने पर एटमॉस्फेरिक टेम्परेचर फॉग के रूप में, ओस के रूप में, रेन वाटर के रूप में ये कन्वर्जन हो जाता है। कब कन्वर्जन होता है? जब बिलो टेम्परेचर होता है। बिलो टेम्परेचर होने से ही ये एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर ही कन्वर्जन होकर के फॉग, ड्यू एंड रेन ड्रॉप के रूप में कन्वर्जन होता है। दो प्रोसेस ऑफ द कंडेंसेशन। इसके बहुत से ये कन्वर्जन रूप होते हैं। रेन वाटर भी इसी का रूप है। ओस जिसको कहते हैं, ड्यू, ऐसे ही आपका जो फॉग होता है, फॉलोइंग कन्वर्जन नेचर इन आवर ये गैसेस पार्ट ऑफ द लिक्विड फॉर्म। व्हाट इज द मेल्ट एंड मेल्टिंग पॉइंट? एक्सप्लेन। the solid give up the heat energy, those solid conversion into liquid form, this process is the called of the melt, those different temperature, total solid conversion into total liquid form, this different temperature point is the called of the melting point. How will you explain on the basis of electronic theory? Then we provided of the solid to heat energy. The heat energy of a break to the binding energy of the H among the H molecules. This region, their values are increased and intermolecular space are increased. This reason solid conversion into liquid form. Vaporization are boiling and boiling point. These are a boiling and boiling point. What is the boiling and boiling point? The liquid form conversion into gaseous are provided of the heat energy. This changing is the cause of the void and different temperature, total liquid conversion into total gaseous form. Those different temperature point is the cause of the boiling point. And this process is the cause of the vaporization. These are a two type, vaporization and gaseous. What is the difference between vapor and gas? Vapor process is the completely of the H temperature, but gaseous process is the gaseous conversion of the different temperature. We have vaporization conversion into upper surface of the liquid form, but gaseous form is the total mass of the liquid form. These are different to the gaseous and the vaporization. Third, sublimation. Some special type of the chemical substance. The solid state, natural state of the solid, but when the given of the heat energy, these are a directly conversion into the gaseous form. Those conversion is the cause of the sublimation. For example, camphor, iodine, nosada, etc. type of the chemical compound is the sublimate type of metals. These are given to sublimation of the character. Thank you.